So this is an armrest protector. This thing is actually really nice and simple and easy to put on. It actually looks like it matches the interior fairly well. I appreciate them sending this out to me. It's a real quick and easy installation, folks. This is something that you can do in a matter of seconds, obviously. So a quick fit on here and it is on. I'll show you some different angles of it. Make sure it's all seated properly. Let's take a look at what it looks like on this side. So you can see the edging all around here, and the handle and everything is still accessible. You can see how it is around this area here. Pretty much seats around the edges, and it's good to go. So if you want to protect your armrests, because this is an area that we use every day, grab one of these.